Alright, let's make a great tasting Southern Fried Catfish. First, grab your catfish fillets and generously lather them with some mustard. Add a few dashes of hot sauce, a tablespoon of garlic. Now follow that up with some salt, pepper, and a touch of cayenne pepper. Give them a toss and make sure each one is coated in that mustard mixture. Now, in a separate bowl, mix together a cup of yellow cornmeal and a cup of all-purpose flour. Now hit that with another tablespoon of garlic and a dash of cayenne pepper. Trust the process. Let's take those fillets and thoroughly batter them into our dry mixture. Make sure each one is dressed for success. Heat your oil to 350 degrees. Gently lay your fillets into the hot oil and let the magic happen. Fry them for about 12 minutes or until they're golden brown and crispy. Once that aroma fills your kitchen, you'll know you've created the best tasting catfish. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Southern Fried recipe, don't forget to show some love, hit that like button, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe for more delicious content.